Hello friends, this is Vivek Sharma, Assistant Professor in Department of IT in Biyani Group of Colleges. Today I deliver a video lecture on break and continue statement. Break and continue are two most popular keywords which are generally used in C programming or inside a looping. So today we are going to discuss break and continue statement. According to definition of break statement, as name suggests break, so it generally breaks the execution of loop. In some programming situations, we want to jump out of the loop instantly without waiting to get back to the conditional test. The keyword break allow to do this. So sometime there is situation we want to jump outside the loop. So we will always use break statement. When break is encountered inside a loop, control automatically passes to the first statement after the loop. When break occurs, control passes to the first statement after the loop. Opposite of break, there is a keyword that is called continue. So now we are going to discuss continue statement. According to definition, we want to take the control to the beginning of the loop. Sometime there is situations we want to move to the first statement. So by passing the statement inside the loop which have not been executed. So we want to continue our statements. In such type of situation, we use continue statement. Now we are taking different examples to learn how break and continue will work. Now we are taking example. First is we are taking break example. Here we have an I integer type variable. There is a for loop I assignment 1. So value of I is 1. 1 less than equal to 10. Condition is satisfied. Control inside a for loop. There is a if conditional statement here. If I equal to 5, value of I is 1, 1 equal to 5, condition is false. So control goes to else part, printf %d I. So it print value 1, curly bracket, then control goes increment portion. Now value of I is 2. 2 less than equal to 10, condition is once again satisfied. If statement, if 2 equal to 5, condition is false. So control goes to else part, printf %d / I. So in the next line it print value 2. This is why print value 2. Again I plus plus, now I becomes 3. 3 less than equal to 10, condition is again satisfied. If I equal to 5, condition is false, 3 not equal to 5, control goes to else part, print I. So now it print 3. Similarly I plus plus, now I is 4. 4 less than 10, condition is satisfied. If 4 equal to 5, condition is again false, control goes to else part, printf %d and print next line value of I, that is 4. I plus plus, now I becomes 5. 5 is less than equal to 10, condition is satisfied. So there is statement break. So by this break statement, control goes here, this place, outside the for loop. So print hello. So after 4, it print hello and loop will be terminated. So by using break statement, we can never enter in this loop. So it print value 1, 2, 3, 4 and hello. This is the main utilization of break statement. Now we are taking second example of second kind of example of continue statement. Here we have an I variable. Initially I assignment 1, value of I is 1. There is a for loop, 1 is less than equal to 10, condition is satisfied, control enter inside a for loop. If 1 equal to 5, condition is false, so control goes to else part, print I. So by print statement, it print value 1. Similarly control goes here I plus plus, now I become 2. 2 less than 10, condition is again satisfied. If 2 equal to 5, this is false, so control goes else part, so it print value 2. Then similarly it print value 3, similarly it print value 4. Now I plus plus, now I becomes 5. 5 less than 10, condition is again satisfied, and enter inside a for loop. If 5 equal to 5, condition is satisfied. So there is a continue keyword. So why this continue keyword? Control passes to the first statement. So control goes here. Control goes here. So it increase value of I by 1. So now I will be 6. 6 less than equal to 10, condition satisfied. If 6 equal to 5, condition false, control goes else part. So it print 6. Again I plus plus, now I is 7. 7 less than 10, condition is true inside for loop. If 7 equal to 5, this is false, control go to else part, printf I, it print 7. Similarly, it print 8, 9, or it print value I plus plus, now I become 10. Similarly, 10 less than equal to 10, condition is fully satisfied inside a for loop. If 10 equal to 5, condition is false, this condition is false, control go to else part, it print value 10. There is no problem here. Then I plus plus, now I become 11. 11 is less than equal to 10, condition is totally false of for loop. So control goes to the outside the for loop, this place. So output of this program will be 1, 2, 3, 4, there is no 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because when value of I becomes 5, control goes here, this place. So there is missing, number is 5. So these are the basic example of break and continue statement. Please like, comments and subscribe our YouTube channel gurukpo.com. Thank you.